nautical miles for tonight. South wind.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Warren County, northwestern New Jersey, southeastern Northampton County, and eastern Pennsylvania until 8 p.m. At 7:26 p.m., Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located over Harmony, or over Easton, and moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Easton, Forks, Wilson, Washington, Nazareth, Belvedere, Harmony, Oxford, Alpha, Hope, Belfast, West Easton, Tatamy, Glendon, Pleasant Valley, Roxburgh, Brass Castle, Old Orchard, Great Meadows, Vienna, and Phillipsburg. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging winds, large hail, deadly lightning, and very heavy rain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. Heavy rains flood roads quickly, so do not drive into areas where water covers the road. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8 p.m. for the following county: Warren, New Jersey.
The coastal waters forecast from Sandy Hook, New Jersey to Fire Island Inlet, New York, out 20 nautical miles.